Ready, start. A copy of the decision rendered by learned single judge in the aforesaid writ petition is filed and marked as Annexure 1 to the writ petition. It is further revealed from the averments made in the writ petition that in pursuance of the aforesaid decision rendered by the learned single judge in civil miscellaneous writ petition number 8357 of 1995, decided on 3rd April 1995, the petitioner made a representation to the collector Kanpur Dehat, who mechanically, with closed mind on the basis of a manipulated seniority list, rejected the representation of the petitioner, holding that under amended UP collection Ameen's Service Rules 1974, made enforceable from 23/10/1992, absorption on the post of collection Ameen in district Kanpur Dehat within 35% vacancies reserved for seasonal collection Ameens is to be made from the seniors to the petitioner who are awaiting their regularization. It is borne out from rejection order passed by the then collector Kanpur Dehat dated 23/11/1995 bracket annexure 2 to the writ petition bracket close that on the aforesaid date the petitioner had already completed 4 years service as seasonal collection Amin and was below 45 years in age. He- His performance as seasonal collection Amin was unblemished during his service. Thus, he was found eligible to be regularized on the post of collection Amin within 35% vacancies reserved for seasonal collection Amins, but his representation was rejected on the basis of incorrect seniority list alleged to have been prepared by Upper Jiladhikari Finance and Revenue Kanpur Dehat, which was neither signed nor approved. No objections were invited from the affected provisions against the aforesaid seniority list purported to have been prepared by Upper Jila Adhikari bracket Finance and Revenue bracket close Kanpur Dehat. A copy of the order dated 23/11/1995 passed by Collector Kanpur Dehat rejecting representation of the petitioner is filed and marked as Annexure 2 to the writ petition. Aggrieved against the aforesaid order dated 23/11/1995 bracket Annexure 2 to the writ petition bracket close passed by the then Collector Kanpur Dehat. The petitioner preferred a representation before the Divisional Commissioner Kanpur Division Kanpur on the ground inter alia that he is senior most collection Amin and fully eligible to be absorbed within 35% vacancies reserved for seasonal collection Amins. It is alleged in his representation before Divisional Commissioner Kanpur Division Kanpur that petitioner is denied regularization on the post of collection Amin on the ground of seniority, whereas juniors to him, namely Sri Parmal Singh, Sri Jagdamba Prasad Yadav, and Sri Zahir Ahmad had already been regularized on the post of collection Amins. It is further averred that his character role remained unblemished throughout his service and there was no cause of complaint against him either by public or by his superior officers. He challenged the correctness of the seniority list prepared by Upper Jiladhikari (Finance and Revenue) Kanpur Dehat, wherein his name is shown at serial number 53 incorrectly. It is alleged that the aforesaid subsequent incorrect seniority list has been prepared with oblique motive note to regularize senior seasonal collection amends. Full stop.